I think last day, probably if you spend the initial few hours of the day working a little is fine if you wish to do a last minute revision or whatever you've done, like formulae or something. But the most important thing in that particular day is to get good sleep. I cannot emphasize enough on the importance of that, because if you're not fresh enough when you're going to write the exam, you'll not be able to give your best and you'll be losing out on things that you actually know very well. So it's very important to get good sleep, and before you go to sleep, please just sit with your family and talk to them for a while in a very relaxed manner, not necessarily about exams, just simple things. And you should be very fresh and comfortable waking up in the next morning and not stressed about what's going to happen in that particular exam. Whatever could have been done is now done. Just go and give the best that you have. Stop worrying anymore.
So I think you, as an aspirant for National Law University Delhi or other law schools, should focus on the fact that this one particular day that you give the exam CLAT or ALET is not the be all and end all of your lives or your future. It is certainly a very important day, which is why there is so much focus that is given to this particular day. You worked hard, yes, all of us accept it and all of us appreciate that particular point of yours.
This is as much as a knowledge-based test, there's also aptitude-based test. Even though you might not know certain areas of subject that these people test you in, I think on that day, if you have a certain amount of aptitude in the sense that you can solve questions in a limited time, or maybe have certain strategies of, say, eliminating options such that you can get to the most closest option, I think I would say that would be a good exam.
I think no, it's not necessary for me to mention which order that I work in. That should totally depend on how you're comfortable attempting the paper. Though I would suggest that you should try to do similar sections a little apart from each other, like legal and English, which both require English acumen, should probably not be placed together so that you do not really get bored of doing that, and it becomes a little difficult and intense for people to actually attempt similar sections together. So I would suggest something like legal and then probably logic. So you get a little break from English, then go to English, and then you go to maths and then GK or whatever order that you attempt in. Try not to do absolutely similar sections together.
But why I particularly think that legal reasoning or GK should happen together and at a much before than other three subjects is because you give legal reasoning in a CLAT paper 25 minutes or 27 minutes for the 50 questions that are there. After that you attempt GK 10-15 minutes that you give to the 50 questions, since they're objective questions. Either you know the question, the answer, or you don't. So by the time you're done with the first 40-45 minutes of that time slot, of the 2-hour time slot that you get for CLAT, you're already done with 100 questions, which gives you some sort of a relief that yes, I'm done with the 100 questions. And the next 100 questions, you have about 1 hour and 15 minutes left, or 1 hour and then 15 minutes for the revision that you require. Which is why I think personally that legal reasoning followed by GK followed by the three sections, whichever order you are more comfortable with, should work.
After you are done with whatever questions you know, and then subsequently with questions you give 1, 2 or more tries, do not leave the questions. Like if you are very short on time, say 30 seconds left, and you do not have time to read the 10 questions, as there is no negative marking, I think you should just go on with any answers in those 10 ovals, because you have nothing to lose. And in case say 3 out of those 10 are good flukes, you'll have an advantage. Yeah, that's it.
Can I just add to that? So, in relation to what Arshdeep is saying, let's say around 10 questions are left and you have no time left, probably 20 seconds. My only advice is there's a very high probability that you'll get more answers right if you mark the same option for every question. Please do not try to make it random like A, B, C or something like that. It should be all A, B, C or D. Chances are really high that you might get more correct answers in that way.
और जहाँ तक एलेट के लिए बात है, तो एलेट के लिए तो ऐसा ही है कि जो आपके 1.5 घंटे हैं 1.5 आवर्स, वही सबको डिसाइड करता है. आपने कोचिंग में भले ही जितने अच्छे आपके 100 के ऊपर मार्क्स आते हों या कुछ भी हो, उससे मतलब नहीं. जो आपके 1.5 आवर्स हैं वही अल्टीमेटली सबको डिसाइड करेगा, क्योंकि आखिरी में बहुत से लोग पैनिक कर जाते कि ये मेरा आखिरी मौका है, अब मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगा. तो इन सब से बचने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए.
Regarding my personal experience, I like to mention a couple of things. It's very difficult to, you can't just tell somebody, hey, listen, please don't be stressed while writing the exam, because it doesn't happen that way. You telling somebody that don't be stressed doesn't ever result in the other person not feeling stressed. But in those particular 2 hours, I think, so this is something that I do before any particular competition that I participate in. Before it starts, I go to the nearest possible washroom, stand in front of the mirror and tell myself I can do it. I will do it. This moment is mine. it might not be what I want that's coming out of this competition, but whatever is coming out is coming because I've put in whatever I have. So it will be the best possible results out of this. There's nothing to be scared of. I think this is something that everybody needs to understand. You've put in whatever you could. You've put in the best that you could have over a period of 2 years, 1 year, 1 month, whatever it is. But after that particular time, in those 2 hours, don't be stressed about how it can go wrong. You've done your way, you've done whatever you could have. So in those 2 hours, just be confident about the fact that you've done your bit. So be relaxed in the way you want to attempt the questions. Yeah.
Conscious Obama. Yes, we can. This moment is ours.
Yes, we will.
It actually works, you know. Really
Where
does.
do you do that?